half of the brake service that they're going to expect you to do in school.
Like caliper thickness.
That's all good, right? Yeah. Cool. Part of the brake service, it's not just going to be a flush. They're going to expect you to, they might even want you to take this off, take the pads out, and use the depth setting here. Like,
Right there.
so you're going to go, and then you're going to find the depth of the pad.
Okay.
And there is a spec for minimum. Let's see if we can find it. 12.10 millimeter. Maybe it's under maintenance. Let's go back to maintenance.
All right.
I know just by looking at them that they're well above 6,000s. All right, so we know that's good. And Dan showed you the drain plug back here, right?
Correct. Right between.
Yeah. So when I'm changing it, I like to set my light right on the belt so I can see it, and then I have like a long quarter, and I can see if it's going. That one's tricky. All the way and stuff.
Yeah.
Especially when you're going back in.
This one's got one extra ceiling on it.
Yeah. Yep.
Well,
Okay. That's good. Looks straight, right? Yeah. This side looked good too. Let's just get him a battery so he doesn't get stranded this summer. What else we gotta do on this one? Good all around. If you're interested in any comfort upgrades, heated grips, highway pegs, anything like that, we could definitely do it for you. If you're interested in any of my recommendations, please let us know. Just wanted to thank you for your business. Have a good one.